Welcome to Techi Jack. In this video we will see how we can install PowerShell 7.5 by using the winget. We will try to run the simple command with the help of winget and will quickly install the PowerShell 7.5. So let's go to the server and get started. So right now we are on our server. Let's try to update the PowerShell to the latest version. I will open the PowerShell as an administrator. If we check the version, current version is 5.1. So we want to upgrade it to 7.5 version. So we will use the winget install because this is a Windows Server 2025 and it has winget already installed there. So I will use this commandlet, and now you can see it is downloading the latest PowerShell version 7.5, and once it is downloaded it will try to install it. So it is downloaded completely and now you can see it is trying to install it. It is successfully installed now. So if we check the version again, it will not show you here because here it shows the 5.1 itself. We have to search for the Windows PowerShell version 7 and you can see the PowerShell 7 is there. We will open it as administrator and now you can see 7.5.3 is there. If we check with the version, we can see the version is 7.5. So our PowerShell has been updated successfully. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post new content.